Good day everyone. In this video, I will construct 4 patterns using 12 LEDs. So first is the breadboard. Then next, drag the arduino. Then next, we have to put the LED, the 12 leads in the breadboard. Next to the LED is the resistor, which have 100 ohms. The 12 resistor, drag it into the breadboard. So now, let's proceed to the connection between the components. The LED connected to the Arduino. And now, let's connect the 12 resistor to the Arduino. So, as you can see, the 12 resistor connected to the Arduino. To make it nice, I changed the color of the connection between the components. And now, let's proceed to the coding. So here's the code for this output, 4 patterns using 12 leads. So here's my final output. As you can see, from LED 12 down to LED 1, then from LED 1 up to LED 12. The LED works in different patterns.